So talk about a green day for the stock market today, guys. Pretty much every stock on my watch list went up, and so did Nvidia, of course, which we have to do an update on in this video. We're going to break down the charts, and later we'll break down some other stocks that I'm looking at. So guys, smash that like button, make sure to subscribe, and don't forget to get up to 20 stocks from Moomoo with at least a $100 deposit. Use that link down below or go to stocksurfs.com/Moomoo, and of course up to 8.1% APY. Almost forgot the number there, guys. Up to 8.1% APY. Link down below, guys, or at stocksurfs.com/Moomoo, and let's dive into it. So check it out. Nvidia stock today, and by the way, the index is, first of all, Russell up 3%, NASDAQ, S&P Dow all over 1%, VIX down 10%, right? So monstrous green day now that we got Jerome Powell, the rate cuts pretty much stamped. You guys know that. We talked about that earlier, and we can see here Nvidia, let's pull this up. Let me show you guys. Nvidia, let me see, went up around 4.5%. Very, very good here. So let's pull it up, break down this past week today, how the stock's been doing as of late. So if I show you guys on the intraday, we opened up and shot up right out of the gate. We opened up at around 125.50, 125, right in that ballpark, got to about $130 per share, dumped down to 126.70, popped to about 129 at close. So we actually were all over the place today, but the general direction was up, right? And now we have an ascending triangle on the intraday chart, which is a pretty bullish pattern overall. So if we do take out, let's say 129.50, 130 at some point next week, which is the resistance from all today, that'd be a very good sign. More upside to come, right? And on this 5-day, 5-minute, let's pull it up. Come on. It's not loading, guys. Oh my goodness. What's going on here with Nvidia? Or not even Nvidia, Think or Swim. I think my internet freaking sucks, guys. I'm on vacation right now. Obviously, my background's not normal. I told you all this yesterday. So if this doesn't pop up, well, I don't know what I'm going to do, guys. It is what it is. Let's see. Let's give it a second. Maybe if I try AMD. By the way, do you own AMD stock, guys? That went up 2% on the day today as well, $3.28. And talk about a remarkable recovery for AMD stock, which I think hit 128. Oh, there we go. Actually, $120 on AMD back on the 5th of August. So that got destroyed, but it's recovered. It's recovered. $162 is what we hit on Monday, which is awesome because I do own this stock. I've been buying it for a couple months now, but let me show you Nvidia. Let's go back to it now that it looks like we're back on the internet. I hope so. Come on, Nvidia. Don't mess with my heart like this, man. Come on. There we go. There we go. So, okay. We overall broke out from $122, which you guys know that was the high mid-August, right? We took that out, I think, on Monday, or was it Friday? Either way, yeah, Friday, Monday, whatever. Last Friday, that is. We took it out, and boom, we hit $131. I think that was yesterday, and overall, that's been the resistance all week, $130, $131 per share. So if we take that point out, guys, overall, we're directionally bullish right now. But if we take that out, especially as we have earnings on Wednesday in literally 5 days, there's going to be an explosion, in my opinion, in the stock, especially if they crush earnings. I mean, you guys know that already, right? So yeah, I mean, we sold off today, and the fact that, and that was earlier in the day, but the fact that, no, that was yesterday, excuse me, on Thursday, but either way, we sold off, and the fact that we actually got buyers to come in at 123, 125, which was an old resistance, right? Now it's support, and we popped all today. That's very good news for the bulls heading into earnings. And if I zoom in on this 4-hour chart, you guys can see even more what I'm talking about, right? 123 high from the end of July, also from mid-August, mid-July even. So yeah, we popped off that support level, which is awesome. We still have the golden cross in place. And by the way, do you guys remember the golden cross? I literally called this out in the video yesterday, and it looks like now it's slowly starting to play out. And we can see Yeah, after the bell on the 28th, just wanted to double check for you guys here. It's going to be a big day, man. It's going to be a big day on that Wednesday. So on the 4 hour, coming back to this, by the way, guys, smash that like button. Make sure to subscribe. Might as well do that. We're almost at 50,000 subscribers. And join the mailing list, by the way. It's free. I'm sending you guys my top 3 stocks by email every single Monday morning. That's linked right down below. So look, 137, massive resistance coming up, and 141, of course, which you guys know is the all-time high. Let me draw this out a little bit, 141. So look, I'm telling you, man, if we take out 130, 131, I'll set my alert there. I think we're going to start moving to 137 or whatever that level was, 138, and then 141. And with earnings coming up, this could literally happen after the bell for all we know, right? It could happen in a day. It could happen in 10 minutes with this stock. That's the kind of stock that we're dealing with. But of course, do your own research, your own due diligence. As always, nothing is guaranteed in the stock market. But I think Nvidia is setting up pretty nicely heading into their earnings. I'm freaking excited, man. I don't know about you guys, but yeah, that is a quick breakdown on Nvidia. Let's pull up AMD quickly, which again, I own this stock. I'm long. They reported already. Now we're approaching 160, which I think if AMD breaks that point, much more upside could ensue. 175 is a big level. We were kind of peaking out there all throughout mid-May to about mid-June. If that breaks, boom, 187. And ultimately, you guys might disagree. I don't know. But I think truly AMD's a $200 plus stock. I really believe that. And I'm in it. I was buying it. I think like 2 months ago I started in the mid 150s. It shot all the way to 190 pretty much right after I bought it. But obviously it tanked to 120. Now we're back to 155, pretty much where I bought it, and we're approaching this big resistance, which, look, I'll draw it up for you guys. If we take it out, we have a wide open gap to fill right there and right there. So I'm excited about not only Nvidia, but also AMD. And there's a bunch of other players in the space. ARM Holdings ended up going up, I think. I forget on the day today, but if it wants to freaking load, oops, I actually typed that in wrong. 5% green day for ARM Holdings. SMCI looks like Supermicro Computer, about a 2% green day. Not bad, but yeah, what do you guys think? Are you in any of these stocks? Nvidia, are you buying more or selling before earnings? Let me know in the comments down below. And for me, guys, I'm just holding. I'm in the stock. I'm just holding on. And we'll see how it goes. But let me know what you guys do. And don't forget to get up to 20 stocks for Moomoo with at least a $100 deposit. Use that link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. And of course, your uninvested cash for now until the Fed cuts rates will earn up to 8.1% APY. That's linked down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, I'll catch you guys later.